Today I'm going to show you an application of a simple to-do list. I built this application with React and Redux for front-end and Node.js for back-end. So in this application, all the to-do items are classified into different groups. So it can be seen here, there are two groups. One is about work and another one is about music. And in each group, there are several to-do items inside it. So if we want to create a new group, we just click the Create Group button. And we give a name to this new group. We can call it Exercise. And now we have a new group. We can also add some to-do items inside this group. We click the Create To-Do button, and it will pop up a Create To-Do form. And this form has its own validations. For example, the title and group fields are required. So if we don't put anything into this form, then we click the Create button. It will give you an error saying that the form has some invalid fields, and it will also give you some hint message. Please input the title and select the group. So we will give it a title. For example, we want to do some weight training. And we want to do 10 squats, 15 push-ups, and 20 walking lunges. And it will belong to the group exercise. Then we hit create. We can add another to-do. This time we want to do some running. We want to do 40 minutes running on treadmill. Okay, so now we have a new group called exercise and two items inside it. We can edit the group by either renaming it or deleting it. So if we click rename, we can give this group a new name. We can call it sports. So you can see this group changed its name from exercise to sports. We can also delete this group. Right now, if we click delete, it will give you a delete error saying that this group cannot be deleted because it still has some to-dos in it. So when we delete it later, we can also edit each to-do item. So we click this edit icon. So this time, we don't want to do the weight training. We want to do some swimming. And we want to do 20 laps of freestyle stroke. Okay, edit. Now you can see the item of weight training changed into swimming. We can also switch the group of the to-do item. For example, we want to move this item to work group. Edit. So you can see this item is displayed in the work group, and we can also switch it back. All right. And we can also delete each to-do item. We delete. Okay. Now this group of sports is empty, so we can delete this entire group. All right. This application has another function called sorting. The sorting can be done on both groups and the to-do lists. So for example, if we want to sort the group, we click the sort group button. It will only show a list of group titles, and we can drag and drop these items to give them a new order. If we click the cancel button, then the group will go back to its previous order. But if we click the save button, And now you can see the groups are displayed in their new orders. We can also sort the to-do list within each group. So for example, we click sort in the work group. Then the to-do list in this work group turn into the sorting mode. And we can drag and drop these items to rearrange their orders. And after we finish sorting, then we click done. Then this to-do list will go back to its normal display mode. All right, so this is the demo of my simple to-do list application, and thanks for watching.